Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content. So I will try to give you an honest review and unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Memo Clarity. This is basically a supplement capsule that will help you out to provide, increase your focus and recall what you have memorized before, and will enhance your purity and clarity in your memorized thoughts. So this is kind of dietary supplement that contains the 60 capsules, and it is advertised as one of the most effective dietary supplements to help you out that will support top performance and focus. So now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind those bold claims. As you can see, this product is available on Amazon, and it has a very bad rating of 2 out of 5 stars, and it is only based on one review. So this is a major red flag that only one person has reviewed it so far. So which means not even a 10% have bought this product so far on Amazon approximately. So now let's once I find to try to find about the information about the Natural Vibe store, I got to know they don't have any effective products available at all on Amazon. And once I tried searching for the reviews of this product, that they claim that it is a supplement by Bruce Willis and Dr. Gupta, I got to know Memo Clarity by Natural Vibe or similar products like Memo Master. So they have created any other scams as well, which are advertised using the names of Dr. Bruce Willis and Dr. Sanjay Gupta, are associated with the scam. So this is clearly mentioned here. There is no endorsement of Dr. Sanjay Gupta or even by Bruce Willis. So in conclusion, I would say, like, based on this information, this product is pretty much a scam, and you should avoid this purchasing this product at all cost. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.